Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve WeChat disabled account. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat disabled account, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of WeChat and you will click. Here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make a problem. And then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.